This video tutorial is about removing the new adware which is called MainSignSearch. MainSignSearch is an untrustworthy application that is distributed through various deceptive pages. For instance, it may be spread through fake software or browser update alerts. There may be a pop-up mentioning that you need to update your browser, supposedly, but in reality such pop-ups may lead to the installation of all sorts of malicious programs, including this MainSignSearch. This is the way it is currently distributed. We have made the analysis of this application, and we found that it specifically targets Mac computers. It may inject its roots specifically into Safari browser. So because of this application, your computer in general would be functioning in a very slow manner. You may be facing the tremendous portion of advertisements not associated with the sites that you visit. If you have found this MainSignSearch on your computer, right-click on it and move it to the trash. To make sure that the system is free of other threats, I do recommend that you also investigate it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and begin researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other infections from your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.